here we are, brothers and sisters. Okay. Al-Kitabu Mubtada, Jadidun is the khabar. Are you with me? The translation is, the book is new. Wal kalamu, and the pen. Wal kalamu, and the pen. Huh? Wal kalamu, and the pen. Qadimun. That is your khabar. Huh? Next one. Al himaru saghirun. The donkey is small. Wal hisanu kabirun. And the horse is big. Al kursiyu maksurun. What is the translation? The chair is broken. Now analyze it in a simple way. Mubtada and khabar. Khalas, brother. Mubtada and khabar. Sahih? Okay, very good. Al mindilu wasikhun. The handkerchief is dirty. Now, these are the vocabs. You have to do it at home. Put an effort and memorize it, brother. So, same thing. Mindilu mubtada. Where is the khabar? Wasikhun. Are you with me? Okay. Next one, brother. Al-ma'u baridun. Do you see the khabar is indefinite? All the time indefinite coming. Al-ma'u baridun. The water, you said the water. Remember? I'm just pointing out to you that mubtada is always definite. Definite. And marfu, of course. Al-ma'u baridun. Al-ma'u baridun. The water is cold. Okay. Al-kamaru jamilun. Al-kamaru jamilun. The moon is beautiful. Mubtada and khabar. Okay. Al-baytu mubtada. Qaribun. The house is near. And what is the opposite of qarib? Ba'id. Wal masjidu, and the masjid is far. Are you with me? Al-hajaru, the rock, the stone. Thaqilun. Heavy. Heavy. Okay. And what is the opposite of thaqilun? Khafifun, light. So see, brother, very easy to memorize. Thaqilun, khafifun. Kabirun, saghirun. Chadidun, kadimun. So it's very easy, brother. Qaribun, ba'idun. Very good. Al-hajaru, thaqilun. The rock is heavy. Wal waraku, what is waraku? The page, a paper. Okay. Khafifun, light. Okay. Al-labanu harun. Harun. Because the shadda is on ra. So you got to pronounce it properly. Harun. Al-labanu mubtada. Where is the khabar? Harun. Harun is your khabar. Fine. Al-kamisu, meaning, what is the meaning? Al-kamisu, the shirt. What about it? Give us the news. Nazif, it's clean. So what is al-kamisu? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Nazifun. Brother, tell me, isn't it easy? I hope you will find it easy. If not today, Sister Salma, tomorrow definitely, inshallah. Because we will be repeating these things, inshallah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? I'm not? Okay. I'll go one more exercise because I want you to do on your own this exercise. Brother, ikra waqtu ma dabtil awakhiril kalimati. Means, put the proper vowel signs at the end. Okay. It's not given. You got to tell me very loudly. Masjidun, mashallah, mashallah. And al-masjid, oh, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Al-ma'u. Next one. Mashallah, mashallah. Al-baytu. Oh, tu. Al-baytu. Got to be careful, brother. If you say al-baytun, I got a very weak heart. I'll get heart attack. It has to be al by tu. Okay. Huh? And then ba bun. Kala mun. Al kala bu. Mashallah. Al kal bu. Kal bun. Kami sun. Wala dun. Al haja ru. Al wala du. Hima run. Al hima ru. Al hisa nu. Hisa nun. MashaAllah. So you are understanding definite and indefinite. Tanween with al single. Are you with me? Now, brothers and sisters, you got to write all these things. This is Ikra Waktub. So, a lot of homework. I hope you will find time. I know you got a lot of responsibilities, your children, husband, businesses. Do as much as you can, brother, inshallah. Okay, now, brother, we go back to page number 1. We go to page number 1. Okay? Number 1. What is the first sentence, brother? Hada baytun. I want you to analyze it. Is it a Jumla Ismiya? Yes. Brother, that goes without saying because we haven't come across Jumla Failure. And it will come later on. So all are Jumla Ismiya. What are you looking for? Sister Salma? Mubtada and Khabar. We are only looking for these two things. Okay. So when you say Hada Baytun, where is Mubtada? Hada is your Mubtada. And remember, it is definite. It is definite. Because when you say Haza, you are pointing out to something particular. So it is definite. In fact, let me tell you a rule. Are you listening? Are you listening? All pronouns. What did I say? All pronouns are definite. All pronouns are definite. Because the pronoun replaces noun. We will learn more about pronouns, inshallah, in 2-3 days. A lot we will learn. Okay? So, hada is the pronoun, and pronouns are all definite. Okay? By their nature, they are all definite. Okay, fine. Hada baytun. So, hada is definite. Because we know mubtada has to be definite most of the time. In the Qur'an, we will learn the sentences in which mubtada is indefinite. And you will be amazed. You will love it when we will go through some of the sentences in the Qur'an. And it will amaze you, brother. Now you'll feel that thing in your heart, inshallah. Okay, haza baytun. What is haza? I know this. Mubtada. What is haza? Mubtada. Oh, where is the khabar? But I told you this is all halwa puri. Now do you believe me? It is all halwa puri. Okay, haza masjidun. What is haza? Mubtada. Where is khabar? Masjidun. ठीक है? Fine. Haza babun. Where is mubtada? Haza. Babun. Khabar. So all these are simple sentences. They are nominal sentences. They are jumla, ismiya, and they are mubtada and khabar. These are all simple. But be prepared to come across some hardship piece. And then we will be ready to analyze it, inshallah. Okay, fine. Now, from now onwards, you must understand one thing. We will try to analyze every sentence that will come in front of us. If the sentence is a question, what did I say, brothers and sisters? If the sentence is a question, we will not analyze it. We won't attempt to analyze it. Till we go in book 3. Till we go in lesson number 10 in book 3. We will not analyze it. Questions, just leave it aside. Don't even attempt. Don't make an attempt. Because it will confuse you. And you will ask me a question. You will confuse me. And when I try to explain you, I will not be able to remove your confusion. So questions, we will keep it aside. Statements, we will try to analyze, inshallah. And you will find it easy, inshallah. And I'll work my utmost to make it easy, inshallah. Okay, brother. Hada baytun we know. Hada kamisun we know. Everything we know, brothers and sisters. Okay, now we come to brothers and sisters. Okay. Hada tabibun, hada waladun. You know all these things. Huh? So if I say hada waladun, what I'm saying? Mubtada khabar. Hada tabibun, mubtada khabar. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Very good. And where are we now? I come to now. Okay. Zalika. Zalika najmun. Zalika najmun. Where is mubtada? Zalika. Najmun is khabar. Remember, mubtada is marfu. So zalika is marfu. What is zalika? A pronoun. Are you with me? Zalika is pronoun. And all pronouns are definite. Definite. Are you with me? All pronouns are definite. Okay, fine, brother. Zalika baitun, it's easy. Zalika saruidun is easy. Zalika imamun is easy. Mubtada khabar. So, brother, these are all very easy. I think I will go to the page number 15, exercise number 2. Brothers and sisters, I'll go to exercise number 2 to, do it a little bit. We'll finish at 12:30 sharp, inshallah. Maybe 5 minutes early we'll finish. No vowel signs, brother. Dr. Abdurrahim thinks you know everything now. No vowel signs. Brother Muhammad, you got to figure out. But you know, if it starts with al-maktabu, it has to be, okay, we are still in marfu. So you can close your eyes and start putting dhammas. It's no problem there. Al-maktabu maksurun. Mubtada khabar. ठीक है? Okay. Al-mudarrisu. Yeah. So now you got to, when you will write in the book, you will write down mudarrisun. Write it properly, brother. Write it properly so that we get an idea. Okay. Al-khamisu wasikhun. Mubtada khabar. Sahi? Are you with me? Al-labanu. What is the meaning of it? Cold. I want you to go home and memorize the vocabs. Because we are going to repeat this tomorrow. Okay. Al-masjidu maftuhun. You will always say dundandin. You got to say it loudly. Dundandin. Okay. Masjid is open. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Al-hajaru kabirun. Meaning, stone is big. What is the analysis? Mubtada khabar. Are you with me, brother? Al-labanu baridun. The milk is cold. Mubtada khabar. Wa, what is wa? Ataf. And, conjunction. And what is wal ma'u? Wal ma'u barun. The water is hot. Baridun, harun. Opposite. Cold, hot. Fine, brother. Al-muhandisu. What is the meaning of muhandisu? Engineer. Al-muhandisu jalisun. It is sitting. Where is mubtada? Al-muhandisu jalisun khabar. Okay. Wal-mudarrisu al-mildilu wasikhun. Al-labanu harun. Al-labanu harun. Okay. Got the idea? Tell me, is it difficult, brother? No, I don't think so. But if you find you're not getting 100% grip on it, don't worry. Tomorrow we are going to revise it. Okay, brothers and sisters?
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا